If I break your mobile phone, what have you done?
And why we don't say,
Why
what
don't
did you
why
do?
don't you why don't you why don't you say
Why don't you say, what did you do? Because it's
because
finished.
it's in the rules of the tenses. I mean, when something
Just
is wrong,
happened.
"Oye, what have you done? ¿Qué has hecho?" En castellano también, ¿qué has hecho? ¿Vale? Y tal en latino o en latinoamericano, hispanoamericano, dicen ¿qué hiciste? ¿Qué hiciste? Pero eso te dice ¿qué has hecho?
Right.
Entonces, what have you done? Right?
Okay.
Remember that.
Because
What have you done?
what have you done?
All right. Draw
I
another one.
Amen.
What
What?
have you done? What have you done? What have you done? What have you done?
But that, what have you done? I will use it
The present perfect.
when something just happened.
Yeah. What have you done?
But it's
Imagine that I offend you. No, I offend someone, and you tell me, what have you done? You are surprised. You
But-
didn't expect that.
okay.
Just what? Huh?
There is a surprise.
Why did you show her? Why did you hit her? Why did you abandon her? Or whatever?
But if it's something which happened
Yesterday,
the morning, for example.
Yeah.
Can
It
I
depends
say
on your
what
present.
have you done?
Well, as long as it is in the morning, as long as you mention it, if you mention it, yeah. If you say in the morning, yeah. What did you do? in
What
the
have
morning?
you
What did
done
do?
this
What-
morning?
What
is
did you do in
correct?
the morning? If the morning has finished. If it
What
hasn't,
did you do?
if the morning has finished.
Okay,
But
the morning.
it's still the morning, no.
I can say, what have you done?
You have not. Right. No. What did you do if it's the morning? Okay. What have you done if it's in the morning? Yeah.
The
But
morning
if
is
it's
not
there,
finished.
if it's not finished yet, if it's finished, you need to use what have you done?
I know.
You're not saying when here. When you don't say when, you use present perfect. You're not saying what have you done today? No, what have you done?
No, I don't understand.
I mean,
My
yesterday
question
you
was,
say yeah.
something happened
In the morning.
in
In the morning, you can say it in the past. What did you do?
Okay. If the morning
As long
is
as
finished.
it's the morning. As long as it is the morning. When the morning is finished, it's the present perfect. You need to use the present perfect. Yes or not?
Mm.
Because you're saying yesterday or this morning, it's just, ay que lío, it's the past. Because ahora ya no es morning. Ahora. Ya no puedo decir what have you done. Because ya no es. Son las 7 menos 11.
Sí.
Entonces estás incluyendo como si fuera el de morning. ¿No? Tiene que ser por la mañana para decir cuál. Tiene que ser por la. No tiene que ser, o sea, por la tarde o noche. Por ese tiempo. Vas a ayudar, porque no me estás diciendo cuándo a mí. Vas a ayudar, pero no dices cuándo. En this morning me estás diciendo cuándo. Ahí sí. Un tiempo.
Voilà, attends, estoy confundida.
Que es normal, mira. Past time reference. Past time reference hace no. Past time reference. Eso lo sabes, ¿no? O reference, si tú lo ¿vale? Eso lo sabes, ¿no? ¿O no? Eso. Referencia temporal del pasado. Por ejemplo, this morning, si ya ha pasado. This morning. ¿Vale? Si ya ha pasado, ya está muerto.
Sí.
Entonces, como está muerto, what did you do?
What did you?
This morning. Pero porque es la referencia temporal del pasado. This morning. ¿No? This morning. Tenemos que traer un ventilador por semana.
Es difícil.
This morning es una referencia temporal del pasado. ¿Dónde está esto? Right. Referencia temporal del pasado. Did you do? Pero what have you done, aquí no me está diciendo cuándo. ¿Te das cuenta o no? No me dice cuándo. Siempre dime what have you done, pero no me está diciendo cuándo. Unless you say today, yes. Today, pero ya no sería del pasado, sería del presente.
So,
¿Me entiendes? Del presente. What have you done today, porque today es hoy.
if I say, if I want to say something about something
Your life. In your
happened.
life. In your life, present perfect. Your life. Anything you have in your life.
Oh, good.
For example, what have you done
But I
far.
don't say
How many?
when.
When you
I
say,
use-
you can
what
say
have you
when, but if you say when, no past time, present time verbs. Referencia temporal del presente, no del pasado. Por ejemplo, today. Today ya no es presente, no es pasado, presente.
And if
¿Estamos de acuerdo? ¿No? O sea,
what have
hoy,
you done
hoy te
yesterday? I
pregunto,
can't
pues
say
algo
that.
aún. Baja, cierra un poco, cierra un poco. Ya pasaremos un poco de calor o cierra la luz si
Bueno,
quieres.
si no puedo escuchar.
Por eso, cierra, cierra, cierra. Cierra, cierra. Eso.
Es muy difícil concentrar.
Cierra más, cierra más. Que si no se abre otra vez y vuelve a entrar el ruido. No digo porque
No,
quiera
pero
estar.
mira esta pronto.
Vale.
Bon.
How have you done? O today también. Porque today ya no es un tiempo de referencia temporal del pasado.
So what have you done today? I
Today
can say
sí,
that.
today sí, today. Pero
But what have you done yesterday? No.
no, o this morning no. Porque ya incluyes que ya ha acabado.
Bon, I will try to remember it.
Vamos a practicar, por eso estamos aquí.
Okay.
Do you draw? Do you draw, draw? ¿Sabes qué es eso no?
Yeah.
¿Qué es? Dibujar.
Yeah.
Okay, can you draw something? Can you draw something?
Alors, I know to draw, but I take
I'm a drawer.
long time.
I'm not a drawer.
No, I know to draw. If I have a copy of
Yeah, a
something,
copyright.
I
copyright.
don't know,
Copyright.
a picture of
A
something,
picture you can copy.
I can copy it. But
Okay.
if you ask me to draw,
Draw.
Draw.
Something. Draw something.
draw something like that from my imagination, I can't.
Ah, you can.
No.
But the school you can draw. Can you draw?
Ah,
the
yeah,
school?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I will try it.
Okay.
Alors,
Can you tell me what you do?
so I try to
I am-
not force a lot on the pen.
I'm drawing.
I'm drawing a spoon.
That's the present perfect, right?
Yeah,
Because it hasn't finished, right?
yeah.
You're still doing it, huh?
I'm doing it
And now what
right
you doing?
now.
What you do now?
Now I'm
I'm
drawing.
still. Todavía. I'm
Yeah,
still.
I'm still
I
drawing.
am still.
I am still drawing it.
Very good.
You see?
And now, what have you done? What have you done? What have you done?
I have drawn. No, I have drawn.
Draw. Draw.
I
Si tú
have
ves draw,
drawn the
dice draw.
spoon.
La tercera vez ahí. Draw.
Yeah,
Okay, present perfect.
yeah.
What have you done today? Have you drawn anything today? I see. Today. I
I
have.
haven't drawn.
Sí, esto.
Ah, yeah, okay, only that. I have drawn
Por eso que quieres que lo use.
only the spoon.
Vale.
My-
I have drawn. My
Yeah.
school
Ah, yeah, yeah.
today.
Mm.
What did you draw a picture yesterday?
I didn't draw a picture yesterday.
Did you draw a picture this morning? Or what? Yeah, that this morning.
This morning
Yeah.
I didn't draw.
Well, it's not that one.
This morning I didn't draw
Draw, very good.
draw
Draw,
a
very good.